welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about tech recap. Every Sunday I am going to post a new video of tech recap and I will be covering all the latest tech news happened in the last week. So stay tuned guys, new video every Sunday. Our first news is coming from Apple. Apple has finally announced the dates of Apple's special event. The event is going to be on 15th of September. In this event, they are going to announce new models of Apple Watch, iPad, Apple TV and probably AirPods. According to recent leaks and rumors, iPhones are going to be announced in an October event. I am feeling pretty sad about this. Microsoft is set to launch Xbox Series S at only $299 and it is still going to be capable of 120 frames per second and at 1440p. So those of you don't know what is 1440p, it's going to be roughly around 2.5K. So for most of the gamers, 2.5K is more than enough. Next one is coming up from LG. A few months back, a smartphone surfaced online codenamed LG Wing. The idea here is that a 4-inch square display that hides under the main one. And it is going to be launched on 5th of October. Moving on to the next one. CES 2021 is going to be all digital. And the dates announced are 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th of January 2021. Moving on to the next one, Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 benchmark shows that it has 80% performance gain than its predecessor GeForce RTX 2080. But that's not it. Nvidia hasn't really raised its price from its predecessor and it's starting from $699 and it's quite impressive. Moving on to the next one, Apple is currently working on a folding iPhone. Frankly speaking, I don't think it's going to be out until 2022. Moving on to the next one, following the ban of PUBG Mobile in India, PUBG Corporation has reportedly cut ties with Tencent Games for PUBG Mobile Indian version. But an official statement from Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of India says that Tencent isn't the only problem and has sent a list of 70 questions to PUBG Corporation, and I don't think India should expect PUBG to return in near future. Next one is coming up from Google. Google will start rolling out Truecaller alternative verified call for Android users in India. The calls from big companies will have a verified check mark on them. Moving on to the next one. Samsung and LG denied to supply OLED displays to Huawei because the United States further tightened the restrictions on Huawei in August, banning suppliers from selling chips made using United States technology to Chinese telecom giant without a special permission. Next one is coming up from ISRO. ISRO has finally announced the third lunar exploration mission, Chandrayaan 3. But Chandrayaan 3 will not be accompanied by an orbiter. Instead, it will use the orbiter of Chandrayaan 2 itself. Chandrayaan 3 is set to launch in 2021 and I am so excited. Alright guys, this is it for this week's video. See you guys next week and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace.